how to turn a 15-minute process into a 5-second process. We just got this propane torch here. We're gonna open it up and I'm gonna give you my first impressions of it. So we were trying to light fires out here, but as you can see, it's all damp and wet. So we got this propane torch and I wanna open it up in front of you guys and see if it really is as cool as the pictures look. So first off, right off the bat, it's got some weight to it, which is nice. I like that. Looks like it's got a little control here to be able to turn it on and off, and then a trigger and an ignition. It feels pretty heavy duty. I'm gonna look it up close. I got some propane here so we can give it a try. I've never used one of these before, so we're gonna see. Let's put it on here. So this is one of those Coleman propane tanks. It just takes one of those regular ones you use for cookers. Also, don't throw these away when you're done. You can get an adapter and fill them back up with your other propane. Let's turn it on. Oh yeah, it's got a lot of power. The dog does not like it. Don't go in front of it. Looks like a hot air balloon. And then turn it off. Yeah, that's actually, I was not expecting that. That's really powerful. So that's gonna be great because we got this for lighting bonfires and burning up some of the leaves around here. So yeah, this is actually a really nice propane torch. I'm impressed with the quality and I'm gonna go light some fires. So if you're looking for a propane tank or a propane gun, I'd definitely check this one out.